Stars above, have you hidden your face? Silence answers where light used to be. This weary land holds no green embrace, only shadows reflecting in me. I made a promise I swore wouldn't keep, to speed my people from sorrow and pain. Now must to dawn to leap, I might want to see on this boat. Here has a running, I cannot wait. Oh, endless night, would you ever break? Ancestor spirits, where can I turn? This heavy burden, for goodness sake. At this hour, lesson I didn't quite learn. I'll carve the pathway way out of the gray. I'll force the darkness to finally give way. Oh, endless night, here comes the day.